Hello everyone and welcome back on my channel. Okay, I wanted to make a video on how to take care of the skin. As you can see, the put on my face that it will heal it, but as now I'm just taking some special kind of thing, and the name is aloe vera. And I hope everybody knows aloe vera because it's really important for the stomach. It really cleans the stomach and also is important for the skin. So I will show you how I take it daily with either eat or I put it inside a cup, and I will show you all how I do my things. Okay, what I do is that uh, this is aloe vera, and I eat a complete leaf of aloe vera. What I do is that I take an aloe vera leaf and I will remove the side with knife so that it should not wound me in the mouth. So what I do, and next I do is I will eat this aloe vera leaf, because everything that reflects on your face is what's coming from inside, and as your inside is clean, it automatically means your face will be also clean. So you have to first take care of inside, what you eat and how you eat food. So I'm usually, this is my favorite meal as you can see, so that's what I take. So as I was saying before, this is my aloe vera leaf. I love it, so I will be eating it, and I will start. What I will do is that when I eat my own, so that it should not, because when you eat it, it's as if it's really entering in your vein. You can see it's really nice, so you feel. As I will start by eating this. And it is finished. What's that? It's just that with time you get used to, and so really thank you for visiting my channel, and hope see you next, and thank you.